Hey guys, hope you're all doing great today. This is Anthea Isaac and welcome back to Inspiring Idols. For this week's episode, I decided to talk about I know, we all know Lino from Stray Kids and mention few of his traits that can actually inspire you in your daily life. As most of you might know, Lino is one of the members from Stray Kids under JYP Entertainment. He got to participate in an Mnet survival show and finally make it up to the lineup of Stray Kids and is currently promoting as one of our own favorite idols in the industry. Being a fellow fan of Stray Kids, I was greatly inspired by the members, and Lino in particular have motivated me with these 3 traits that I got to learn from his own life. Number 1, fight for it. We all know that Lino being a singer wasn't an easy journey for him. He had to fight his own battle and move step by step to finally be an artist whom we all adore. That is the same for us. It might be a new passion, career, or a particular course that you are willing to finish. It might need some real hard work and you might have to fight your own battle. At times, we get disappointed because the journey seems too monotonous and too hard to complete. But always remember that we have to fight for our own selves if we are particularly aspiring for something. Number 2 is make it happen. Make it happen is more like the second phase when we fight for what we need. During the survival show, Lino merely got rejected from being a member of Stray Kids. He was lacking in particular aspects in which other contestants were good at. During our battle for the things that we want to achieve, we might realize that we are actually lacking in certain aspects from somebody who wants to be the same or somebody who is in a better place than us. At those times, we again feel disappointed and we are tempted to give up. But rather than giving up, we have to make it happen by energizing ourselves and motivating ourselves to do better. Start improvising yourself in whatever you need and turn yourself as a better person as Lino did and finally be the person you always wanted to be. Number 3 is it is not too late. We all know that Lino was one of the background dancers of BTS, and when he wanted to be a singer, he might have felt that it is too late to be a trainee and then be an idol. But he still never gave up on his dreams and started working on it. That is the same for us. You might be in a course already or doing a job or might feel that you're too late to start something new. But always remember that it is not too late to start. So whatever it might be, just don't feel bad, and if your heart really wants it, just start doing it. And I'm sure that you can do greater things by starting it today. So here are the 3 traits that we got to learn today. Number 1, fight for it. Number 2, make it happen. And finally, never feel that it is too late to start. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed this week's video. I hope it was really helpful. Do like and share your comments about the video. Share it with all your mutual K-pop fans, and I hope they will enjoy it as well. Thank you once again for all the love and support. You can always feel free to share the idols you would love to see me talk about, and I am grateful to feature them in my videos. And make sure to follow the upcoming videos, and let me meet you in the next week's Inspiring Idols. Until then, stay safe, be happy, and stay blessed. Bye.